Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9. Today I'm going to show you how to install the ChatGPT app on your Mac. This guide is specifically for those of you with an Apple Silicon-based Mac, like the M1, M2, or M3 chips. If that's you, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, let's open your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, I'll be using Brave, but you can use Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser that you prefer. In the address bar, type openai.com/chatgpt/ and hit enter. This will redirect you to the official OpenAI website. On the website, look for the Download the App button and click on it. Then, select Download for macOS and save the file to your desired location. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the ChatGPT installation file. It should be a .dmg file. Double-click on this file to start the installation process. A new window will appear with the ChatGPT icon. Simply drag and drop the ChatGPT icon into the Applications folder. This step will copy the app to your Applications folder, making it ready for use. Great. Now, let's open ChatGPT to ensure it's working properly. Go to your Applications folder, find the ChatGPT app, and double-click to open it. The first time you open ChatGPT, macOS may ask for permission to open an application downloaded from the internet. Click Open to proceed. A new window will appear. Click on Continue with Google to proceed with the login process in your web browser. Once you've completed the login, you'll have access to the main ChatGPT interface, and there you have it. ChatGPT is now successfully installed on your Mac. You can start using it right away by typing your questions or commands into the input box. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tutorials and guides. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.